So yesterday I took a gamble and drove 8 hours to purchase a very aggressively used BMW E93. It's a 2011 335i convertible with 105,000 miles. Stupider things have been done in the world, I promise you. Anyway, what we want to find out is if buying a 2011 335i BMW is a good idea, or if I just pissed away $7,500. The seller was completely dishonest with the condition of this vehicle. He basically said that the thing was super clean, and it absolutely is not. There's damage on the front bumper, there's damage on the rear bumper, there's panels that aren't aligning correctly. I mean, look at this fucking passenger door here. There's damage on the rear bumper, there's damage on the rear lights. Honestly, I should have ran from that sale. And if I hadn't just drove 8 hours, I probably would have. But here's the thing. I think that there's still some promise left in this car. See, it's a 6-speed manual, and those things are kind of hard to come by these days. And while I wouldn't say this thing is in immaculate condition, the fact remains is that it did get me from Blacksburg to Williamsburg. It runs, it's fairly mechanically sound. So I think that it would be fun to try to see if we can restore this 335i into its original glory. Anyway, I thought it would be a good idea if I go to YouTube and try to ask what they think we should do to this thing first. We can do anything from a short shifter to an air intake to replacing the rear or front bumper. I guess the world is basically our oyster. Anyway, so YouTube, where do you think I should start with repairing and restoring this BMW 335i?